Hello, and welcome to iMoving.com. iMoving is a simple and secure moving marketplace. We made it easy to shop around and book your moving services in just a few clicks. Step 1. Tell us about your move. Select whether you're moving from a house, an apartment, or a storage unit. Next, tell us how big your move is. Click on the Continue button to move on. Step 2. Confirm your move size. Pick a truck size by clicking on it, and then you can click on the blue button to move on to the next step. Step 3. Scheduling. Select your move date and pickup time. Next, enter your point of origin in the Pickup From section. In the Drop-Off section, you can enter your destination info. This works a lot like the Pickup From part that you just completed. Click the blue button when you're done here. Step 4. The Marketplace. Try clicking on one or two of the moving companies to bring up their info. You can shop around for the best fit. Ready to book with this moving company? Click on the blue button that says Select. Step 5. The Summary. Now, all you have to do is review your price and check out. When you're ready, click Check Out. Enter your payment info, and we'll take it from here. iMoving.com. Compare and book moves easily.